Welcome to another update for Force 13 on Tropical Cyclone Celida, or CO7S, and is now on a weakening trend. This is the life of the Tropical Cyclone up to earlier today, and the cyclone is currently located 17 south, 58.4 degrees C, maximum sustained winds 115 knots, gusting 140 knots, minimum central pressure according to another source around 940 millibars, and is located around 196 nautical miles north-northeast of Port Louis, Mauritius, tracking south-southeast at 9 knots. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's information shows animated multispectral satellite imagery shows the system has further weakened with signs of elongation and dispersion along the southern flank. However, the central convection remains inactive, creating a well-defined 5 nautical mile pinhole eye. The initial position is based with high confidence based on the MSI eye that stacked well with a small microwave eye feature in a MUT pass. Initial intensity is based on equivalent VORAC estimates T6 115 knots from the PGTW and the KNES. The system remains in an overall favourable environment, low to moderate 15 to 20 knot vertical wind shear. Here's the Matteo Frenzel Reunion's track. Strong poleward outflow, warm sea surface temperatures around 28 to 26. The tropical cyclone CO7 will continue to track south-southeast along the southwest periphery of the subtropical ridge to the northeast. The system is expected to gradually weaken as vertical wind shear increases due to exposure to prevailing westerlies. Sea surface temperatures decreasing, cold air associated with the baroclinic zone in trains from the southwest. The tropical cyclone will begin extratropical transition within 48 hours and will become a storm force cold core low by 72 hours. This is the latest track from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. Numerical guidance remains in tight agreement, lending high confidence to the JTWC track forecast, and wave height is 29 feet. And you can clearly see that the threat to the Mauritius is most likely decreasing, considering the track of the cyclone and what the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre mentioned about vertical wind shear increasing due to the prevailing westerlies. The tropical cyclone did have an impressive eye. We will continue to bring the latest information on this system. And one of the models saying read the tracks EPS track guidance, and you can actually see us tracking towards Australia. And the colours represent individual models, and the models are there on the right hand side of the screen. The late cycle track guidance. and the late cycle intensity guidance. You can see that all of them are indicating a downward trend. Upper level divergence is very healthy. It's of around 40 knots. Latest wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency, the 850 millibar vorticity. You can see where Celida is and Cananga. And cyclone phase, the UK MUT. The sea surface temperature is the scale above the circular dots, and they are intensity. Navy's NEFJAM.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.